Hello class 8, welcome to online science classes of HPS. In the school we started chapter number 13 sound, okay, but as per the guidelines we are again going online. So here are some videos of the next chapters which will be provided to you, and the question answers will be given to you in PDF files. And as the time is very much less, we are going to study the summaries of all these chapters. Okay children, see on page number 245. So the sound is produced due to the wave motion. Okay, sound, it is a form of energy which is produced by a vibrating body. It travels in the forms of waves. I had also explained you already this, that sound travels in the form of waves. Then the propagation of sound. How the sound is propagated? It is transmitted in the form of mechanical waves. Thus sound needs an medium to travel. Okay, then what are the properties, different properties of the sound waves? See these: wavelength, amplitude, frequency, time period and wave velocity are the different properties of sound waves. Now what is wavelength? It is the distance between two consecutive compressions or rarefactions. Amplitude, it is the maximum displacement of vibrating body. Then the frequency, number of oscillations produced per second, it is measured in hertz. Frequency is measured in hertz. The speed of sound wave is given by the speed is equal to frequency into wavelength. Then time period is the time which is taken to complete one unit time. Wave velocity is the distance traveling in one vibration. Then what are the characteristics of sound? Loudness, pitch and quality of sound timbre. Okay, reflection of sound is also known as echo, and it is used in sonar. It is these are the audible range, infrasonic and ultrasonic sonar ranges. Classification of sound. Okay, so you have to read the chapter children and see the summary of the chapter. Sound is produced by the vibrations of a material body. Infrasonic vibrations have frequency less than 20 Hz and are inaudible to the human. Sonic vibration has frequency between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Sound can travel through solids, liquids and gases, but cannot travel through the vacuums. It requires a medium to travel. The speed of sound is maximum in the solids, of middle order in the liquids and least in gases. From the increasing order it is to the decreasing. Solid में ज़्यादा, liquid में थोड़ा middle, and then least it is in the gases. Sound is absorbed by rough materials such as thick curtains, gunny bags, straw, carpets, etc. Sound of loudness more than 80 decibel is shrill and unbearable. It causes a lot of noise pollution. Loudness of the sound is measured in decibels, and noise pollution creates problems such as deafness, headache and loss of concentration. Sound is always measured in decibels. Okay, so this is the chapter of sound. We will do the next work of the video in the next video. Thank you and have a good day children.